Hi guys, today we're going to be making these face shields that look like this, and there's a little elastic in the back where you can just fit your head through this little hole. So, moving on to the supplies and materials that you're going to need. Number one, you have your strip of foam, elastic, double-sided tape, a ruler, scissors, a stapler, and then you have your plastic sheet over here. I also have a needle because I find that it helps me get rid of the cover on the double-sided tape. So next, let's get to measuring. You want to make sure to cut your foam strip into exactly 10 inches, which is what I'm doing here. So once you have it, just use your scissors and cut it. And then you want to make sure that this side is a pretty clean edge so that it looks nice. Next, for your elastic, you're going to be needing 14 inches of elastic, which I will be measuring out here. So that's 12. There's another 2 over here. And so then once I cut my 14 inches of elastic, I'll put the rest to the side. And lastly, you need 10 inches of double-sided tape. This goes on top of the foam, so then just make sure that it's the same length. Alright, so once I have all of that ready and prepared, then I can do the first step. So first you want to take your elastic and your sheet over here and then just place it like this on the top. And I put about an inch, between half an inch to an inch of elastic that overlaps with the sheet over here. And then you just want to staple it 3 times on each side. So when you staple it, you want to make sure that the part that you normally staple on the top of the packet, which is just like one straight line, goes on the same side as the elastic, or that the top of the stapler goes like this. So I'm just going to staple it 3 times now. 1, 2, 3. So once you staple it 3 times, then you do the same thing to the other side, like so. Alright, so now that I have 3 on each side, I'm going to flip around the elastic, just like this, flip around the entire piece of plastic, and then get started on the second half. Take your 10-inch piece of foam and your 10 inches of double-sided tape, and then place the tape on top of the foam, like so. Make sure that you attach it firmly so that it doesn't fall off by pressing down a couple times. And now I'm going to just take my needle and find a spot on the double-sided tape where I can lift it. And so once I do that, then I'm going to be stripping off the rest of it, just like this. And then just put it on a straight line near the top over here. Make sure you leave a little bit of space so it's not too close to the edge. And then just press down on it to attach it. Flip the elastic around one more time. And then on the bottom you see these 2 sharp corners, so we want to get rid of that and just curve the edges. So what we're going to do with our scissors now. Alright, and so once you're done with that, then you're done. And so now you have your very own face shield that you can use or you can donate to other people.